Hello, kids. Good day, good evening. If you watch this video in the evening, so I will say good evening. Okay, so welcome to our virtual classroom. I am your teacher Airene. Okay, so for today's lesson, we will learn about reading. Reading, okay? Read. Yeah, reading. I see. I see. I see. That's right. Can you say it again? Good job. Okay, next. Let's watch this or let's see the pictures, okay? Let's see. Oh, okay. Wow, what's this? A crow. A crow. A crow. Can you say it again? Good. Next, number 2. An owl. An owl. Can you say it again? Wow. Great. Next, number 3. A fox. A fox. Again? Good. Next is a squirrel. A squirrel. Say it again. Great. Great job. Number 5. A raccoon. A raccoon. Say it again. Wow. Okay, now let's read the sentences. Okay, we have sentences is I see a crow. I see a crow. I see a crow. Read again. That's right. Next reading. I see an owl. I see an owl. Read again, please. Good job. Number 3. I see a fox. I see a fox. Again. Wow. And then I see a squirrel. I see a squirrel. Again. Yes. And the last one is I see a raccoon. I see a raccoon. Can you say it again? Wow. Now we have a short quiz. Okay, number 1. What's this? I see A, squirrel, B, fox, C, raccoon. What is in the picture? Yes, your answer is correct. It's letter A, a squirrel. Number 2. I see A, squirrel, B, fox, C, raccoon. What's this? That's right, letter B. Letter B, a fox. Number 3, I see A, raccoon, B, squirrel, C, fox. What's this? That's right, raccoon. The answer is letter A. Now, for your homework, you're going to answer the worksheet number 1. Write your name, your number, like alay ka, paalay, paanong kap alay ka, here, okay? And then, read, kanban, homework. You're going to read the sentences. Example, I see a crow. I see an owl. I see a fox. I see a squirrel. I see a raccoon. Okay? That's your homework, kids. So thank you so much for your attention today. See you next time. Bye-bye.